Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. And here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my 10 supporters. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video we're going to be reviewing a treadmill. I know. So here we do some lifestyle kind of video too, not only beauty. So a treadmill fit into Fitfashionista. Alright. So this treadmill is really cool. You can find them on Amazon. Is a easy to use treadmill. It's foldable. It's lightweight, only 26.5 kilograms. And they have like the handle if you want, or you can fold that and have flat so you can fit on a desk if you want to like walk as you work, which is great for keeping shape. Too bad my table is too low, I cannot put one here. And since I film, I don't know how I would be walking and talking to you. I probably fell on my face, so I don't know. But I'm gonna show you guys the treadmill and all the picture. It's really nice, and the shipping was really fast too. So I'm gonna put the seller's info in the description of this video, and I don't know if I have discount code for them. If I do, I'm gonna put also the description of this video. The treadmill name is the store in Amazon is CITYSPORTS, and the treadmill is the CITYSPORTS 2-in-1 folding on the desk treadmill. Walk, electric, jog, running machine treadmill. It's good for like it's a small compared to a gym treadmill, but it is big enough for, you know, a male or female to use. And they have a nice cool noise reduction system, and they do also have like a system that make like a low impact on your knee. That's really good. And they do also have the protection belt that you attach to your clothes, and you don't fall as you're using. So I'm gonna put a little video on my side trying on the treadmill so you guys can see how it works. And they have a little display where you display your calories, your speed, and I think the distance that you've been working. And I think I saw something on Amazon that they have like an app. I'm not sure if that is the case there, but you guys can see here, look like they have an app that you also can connect to the treadmill via Bluetooth and use the speaker on the treadmill via Bluetooth, which is really cool. I love the treadmill. One of the features that they advertise is easy to fold, because you like, I prefer a treadmill with the arms on the side. I don't know, you never know when you're gonna have to stop like that, and when you have the arm, if you feel dizzy or you, I don't know, something happened, you lose your balance, you have something to grab on it. So I prefer like that. I even see the treadmills that doesn't have the bar for you to grab on it, and I say no, that's not gonna work for me. So that's nice. It's a very slim, compact, fit very easy on the couch, on the furniture. So it's easy for you to put away if you live in a small space and you still want to have a treadmill and you don't have much room for that. It's perfect for home, gym, office space if you want to have a treadmill in your office. So if you don't have time to go to the gym but you still want to get a little workout at work, there you go. Alright, so the color is pretty nice. This one is black and have like little red details on. The treadmill was very easy to put it together. It comes with a little instruction and with all the little keys that you need for put in place. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. It took me 1 hour to put it together. What else can I say about that to you guys? It's I love it. You know, I do have a spinning bike, I have a row machine, I have some weights, I have some like a yoga mat and stuff that I exercise at home, and adding treadmill to that little setup that I have there with all my gym equipment, it was something that I had in mind. So when the opportunity presented itself, I was like, yes, okay, now we have a treadmill. Now we just need a lip glow and a weight set, because I have like a weight, but you have to take it out and put in place so you can have the weight that you want. I wanted like a whole rack with a weight set. Then my gym is finished, you know, because I don't have my space for putting nothing there too. I'm thinking about getting rid of my like photography box that I have there, so I can put one more thing there, you know. But the treadmill is great. If you guys decide to give them a try, I'm gonna leave in the description of this video the link for the store on Amazon where you can find it. I love it. Like I say, shipping was very fast. The customer service was 10 out of 10. They're very nice, and the price also is, it's only $289 now, the price of the treadmill. That's crazy. Wow, it's really, really nice. And if I buy today is Tuesday, so in 1 week, next Tuesday I should get it. Alright, that's not bad at all. They do have an anti-slip treadmill belts. They have, like I told you guys, the low impact on your knees. Multiple treadmill belts built in, density and texture that absorb noise or shock. She's great. Sturdy built-in adjustable handrail. Alright, that's the handrail I told you guys. Display speed, time and distance, calories. Quick button to start and stop. Media Bluetooth and speaker deliver vibrate stereo song. Fast forwarded and easy started. Built-in wheels to make it easier to roll on one. Convenient design. Right, so I love the treadmill. It was great. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I'm not pro on you know, treadmill equipment, but you know, I'm telling you guys my personal experience with the treadmill, and I loved it. It worked perfect for me, and I'm so glad I get it. And thank you so much, CITYSPORTS, for sending it for me. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So all the info for them is gonna be in the description of this video if you guys want to try them out. I'll see you guys next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And let me know down in the comment below if you guys have any question about the treadmill, and I'm gonna answer the best I can. Alright, I love you guys. See you guys later. Bye.